Welcome to Evernote. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is like the best training video ever, and I hope you guys can follow. My name is Marie Jones, and I am leader of Team Posh Promoters, and I'm also a CRM specialist. If you don't know what CRM is, it means Content Records Management. I have been doing uh, content records management for over 15 years. I give you a little bit about my bio and background. I am actually a senior imaging specialist for General Dynamics, one of their business units, and I handle about over 3.2 terabytes of information with their company. And if you can understand that, you will know that it's a massive job. For 15 years, I have been maintaining their metadata for all of their accounts payable and payroll systems personnel files. And so it has been a completely rewarding experience. And with that knowledge of how to use CRM and metadata, I have applied that to my direct sales business, and it has been absolutely phenomenal. So in this video, what you're going to learn is what is Evernote and the capabilities that you can have by using it as a client care system and records management system for your business. Now, I will let you know that I do personal consultations on content records management and metadata, and especially my specialty is in archiving platforms and structures. If you have any questions on how you should be structuring your data to find your data more efficiently, please reach out to me. I do charge an hourly fee, but if you contact me, we can, be able to talk about that more. Now, this training I'm going to tell you is for the person who is familiar with Evernote and is familiar with metadata and how it exactly works. I'm not going to be sharing the basic functionality of how to create a note, how to create a stack, and about metadata and tags. Hopefully you can follow that, and I would try to make this a very, very quick tutorial so you can see exactly what Evernote does for me and why it totally rocks my business. All right, so this is Evernote, and what Evernote is a cloud content records management system. You can store notes, photographs, recordings, pictures, anything, almost everything in Evernote. And what I love about it is a cloud system, so it's accessible through all devices. Evernote is so savvy that they have an app for, I believe, every single mobile device out there. So it's not just specific to Apple, not specific to Droid, everything. It connects to your desktop. And what is amazing about the syncing portion about Evernote is it's automatically and instantaneously. So as soon as I enter information on my desktop, it goes straight to my phone in a matter of seconds. It's crazy, the syncing. And it's very, very reliable. At least I have never had an issue with it, and it is the most favorite app on my my devices. I use every single day. All right, so this is Evernote. Okay, and this is Evernote already set up. So in here, what I want you to pay attention to is my stack here. I'm going to go ahead and close this. So I have my my books here, my stacks here, and then and my books. So you know what it's a stack when it has like a little arrow. And if I click on this, then you can see all the books that are in it. And within all the books are notes. All right. Now my client care system here, I'm going to go ahead and click on this again. This is a client profile, okay? And this is the client profile that I use with anybody who I come in contact with my business, whether they're a prospect or I have approached them. They are interested in the business, interested in purchasing product. This is what I use, okay? And you can develop your own. That's the beauty of Evernote. It comes as a blank slate, and I think that's what usually throws people off, and where my services will actually come into play, is the creativity part of what do you want to do with Evernote, because Evernote is so blank and nothing in it that it's absolutely a awesome tool. You can make it whatever you want, and I think that the creativity piece, some people, that is really overwhelming. So this is my client profile, and it has the name and address, email, how I contacted them, their interest. I give out samples, so I have samples and the dates, products that they purchased, and then contact dates and some notes about that. I also have a wish list here. Okay, and like I said, whatever business that you're in is totally, flexible. You can create whatever. All right, so I'm going to give you a scenario of why I believe this is really a great system, and then share with you exactly what it is. Okay, so I'm going to take you to Facebook here. Okay, so here in Facebook, this is a real live event that happened. The other day, I wasn't feeling well, and I had major acid reflux. My frustrations of waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning, I end up going to Facebook and posting, anyone else have a love-hate relationship with pizza? I wasn't intending on this being a self-promoting posh buy my products post, okay? I was just so frustrated with having acid reflux. And what ended up happening was one of my past product testers who never purchased end up reaching out to me through that post and asking me if how to order, and if I had those products in stock. And so through the post, when she said, oh, I want some of that cream, the sample that you sent me, how do I order again? The first thing that came to my mind was, what in the world is she talking about? Okay, so if you don't have a system in place, this can be where you will lose the sale. I thoroughly believe, and this is just the way that I work as a salesperson and business owner, is that it is my responsibility to know my customer and know my customer's needs on the fly. Okay. And because if I don't know what they need and I have to ask them a billion questions, more questions than I ask them, that seems like I don't know what is going on, then the more frustrated they're going to get. But if I have all those answers, or at least know some of the answers, then I can ask less questions and get straight to whatever the point is. So the first thing I thought about was I need to go to Evernote and look up this person. So I went to Evernote, okay, and I typed in Evelyn's name, okay, and you see what it did, guys? It automatically looked for her name in the metadata. Okay, this metadata is the searchable words in a content that you know that pull up. So I click on it, and here's Evelyn's profile, and I have changed the address and the phone number for security reasons. But what I love about this is that I go down here and I can see exactly the samples that I gave her and when. And then also I have notes down here that says exactly where I found, where we met, and what I sent her. Okay. And I keep client profiles on every single person that I come in contact with. Okay. Okay. So once I did that, then I would jump back to Facebook, and I replied to her. The Sweet Dreams or Apricot Moisturizing Mask, I have both in stock. You can order directly through me for faster delivery. And she said that she'd contact me on Monday. Okay, so that's a sale that wouldn't have happened if I did not have any kind of system backing it up. Now you can say, oh, but I can keep that in my back office of my, my direct sales contact database. Sure, you can do that. Absolutely, you can do that. I mean, there's no problem doing that. But, here's the reason why I do it, guys. It's, again, that cloud sharing, okay? The cloud sharing is the piece that I absolutely love about Evernote, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Okay, and so here's my phone, guys. Okay, and so when I go to Evernote here, let's just say I'm at work. I am at work, and I think of Evelyn, because the Sweet Dreams comes on sale. Well, what I can do here is I can go here, and I can do Sweet, and then let's just do Sweet and search. Okay. All of this Sweet brings up any word that has any note that has the word sweet in it. Okay. And most likely Sweet Dreams is in there. If I want to really fine tune that, we'll go ahead and put Sweet Dream instead of Sweet Dreams. Okay. And do it again. Did not save it. Try another. Okay, cancel and go back. Okay, so Sweet Dream, and now I have the clients here that either tried Sweet Dreams or as a sample, or they purchased it, and I can just click on each person. Okay. The wonderful thing about this is that now that I found that, I did the search on the product, then I can go in here and I can go ahead and the address is there. You can see that it created a link. If I wanted to call them, I can click on the phone, and by clicking on the phone number, I'm going to make this larger. My thumb is big. Clicking on the phone number automatically calls them. Okay. And that is my phone number, guys, if you need to get in contact with me and would like to have one-on-one training on this. This is my email address that I have changed, so we're not sharing hers. If I wanted to send her an email and say, hey, guess what? The Sweet Dreams is available. Okay. All I have to do is click on the email address, and it automatically prompts a new message. Okay. And let me ask you this: Can your direct sales content management system do this? And can it do it? Is it accessible on all of your devices at any time? And update all of you update it once, and it's accessible anywhere you go. This is the power of Evernote. and why I absolutely love Evernote. Okay. I mean, not only with that, but I also happen to take pictures of my clients' packages there with the tracking numbers to keep track of it. Any kind of notes I put in there. I also have here, let's see if I can find it here, testers database. Let's see, let's just do database. Let's see what comes up. Okay. All right. So I have a couple of things in that database there. All right. If I needed to mail something to somebody and I wasn't sure what I needed to do, like who I needed to mail to, I could go ahead and click on mail. And this happens to be a context tab tag that I have connected with the client notes, and click on that. And then it says, now you can see like some of those people that I was talking about that I take pictures of their packages that I send them, and they actually show that. And as soon as I mail it, then I go ahead and take out the mail. But you can also do reminders. Okay, it says that I have 9 reminders, and so here are some of the reminders that I have. Okay. Which is really nice. I got to clean up those reminders. Okay, but that's what I absolutely love about Evernote. And I think Evernote can be anything that you want it to be, and it can be so much more. So again, I encourage you to reach out to me, Evernote is a blank space. So when you get Evernote, don't be surprised you're a little overwhelmed because you're just like, now what do I do with it? It can be very frustrating. But once you have a system in place, it is the best thing in the world. So you can reach me at marie@poshpromoters.com for emailing me. You can also go to my website at usaposh.com. It has all my contact information, all my social media sites. If you love this video, share it with somebody. Again, I'm very reasonably priced for setting up your content records management system. And if you are a corporation and would love to contract me, I would love to talk about that also. I do analysis on your scanning systems and efficiency goals with the best way for you to keep all of your records electronically. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.